Hola, bienvenidos a Iniciativa de Difusión de la Cultura Colombiana a través de la enseñanza del español, curso 2021. Welcome to Initiative for the Dissemination of Colombian Culture through the Teaching of Spanish, course 2021. We have prepared this video in order to help you navigate through our platform, Campus B Learning. First of all, we would like to introduce you to our website where the general characteristics of the course are located. As you can see, the name of our program is Spanish and Colombian Culture Program. You can find more information about the program as you click on the red button. As you scroll down our page, you will get to see a beautiful video depicting the most amazing landscapes of our country. As you continue scrolling down, you will get to see what each of the levels offered by our Language Center contain. Of course, you are welcome to click on read more on each of these levels so that you get to know precisely what each of the levels is about. You have all been placed at one of these four levels that we are offering, either the A1, very basic level, the A2, the B11, or the B12 levels. As you can see, for example, in level A1, you get a general description of the level, what you're supposed to be able to obtain as an outcome of your learning process. And you will get to see also a video precisely giving a little bit more information about the course, general information again about the course. This is going to be available not only in English but also in either or both Spanish and French, if you choose to read or hear in any of these two languages. As you continue scrolling down, if this is the level that corresponds to the one you're going to be taking, you can click on Access to the course to immediately step into the platform. We will do that in a little bit. We're going to come back here and basically to show you how beautiful the landing page, I was going to say, looks like. Okay, now we are ready then to move on to the level you have been placed at. So let us check, for example, A1 to begin with. Access to the course. This is once you have been able to access with your password, of course. This is how it looks inside, right? You get the name of the level here, access to the language, acceso a la lengua, level A1. Of course, this program has been possible thanks to the government of Colombia. So all of the courses on the platform have the logo of the government of Colombia. As you can see here in the upper bar here, there are some general aspects that you can also browse and look to see a little bit more about, the general characteristics of each of the levels. And you get then, once you get familiarized with that, you get to the units. As you can see, there are 6 units in each of the levels. Actually, this is only an example, but you are going to see basically the same 6 units in each of the levels. And towards the right hand side of your screen, you will see Material de Apoyo Adicional, which stands for additional support material. It's very interesting, very beautiful, and it is really recommended that you click on Material de Apoyo Adicional so that you can work and go the extra mile. Now, let me show you how the rest of the level looks like. In here, you are going to be able to actually download a PDF or of the program. It's got explanations in English, Spanish, and French, and it has all the contents of each of the weeks, the 14 weeks that you're going to be taking this course for. Let's just quickly check there, right? You will get to see again, a little description of the level, and down there the contents for each week. Some of the weeks are together because the information, or the topics are really attached one to each other. As we go back, you can download that and just make a copy, a hard copy on your computer. It's very important that you click on the forum so that you can introduce yourself to your classmates and your teacher in Spanish, of course, once you get the elements in order to do that. Okay, so as you can see here, you're going to be able to get in these bubbles here, you're going to click to be able to access what we call the forums. They're very important. It's really important that you start participating and interacting with your classmates. Let's check the first unit here, for example, so that you know in detail how it looks like. Yeah, pretty much all the units look the same way, so let's check what the first unit looks like. As you can see, you will get access to resources such as videos, right? So you can just click there. Most of the videos, if not all of them, are actually authentic videos, right? You also get other types of resources such as exercises, class exercises, or you can get also reading comprehension activities, and other activities similar to that. You are also going to see videos prepared by some of our teachers. This is Jorge, one of our professors. So you will be able to see material that has been prepared by ourselves very much. So when you get to this icon, let us go in. You're going to get material such as an input material, and then you will be able to actually play a little bit. You can, for example, in this type of activities, you can just take the information and drag it on to where it's supposed to go, right? Of course, you're going to get the help of your teacher on a daily basis in order to progress in your learning, in the learning of your Spanish. As you can see in the far right hand of each of these, there is a little box here. The little box here, which is dotted, means that you are invited to actually work on that activity. These activities here are going to count at the end of the course for us to understand how much you have actually worked on each of the sessions, on each of the units, right? Remember, this course is 14 weeks, but there are 6 units. As you can also see here, there's materials that are more vocabulary and grammar oriented. So you will also get to work on your grammar and your vocabulary. Of course, you will get also resources in the form, again, of videos or texts, right, that are oriented to learning the socio-cultural aspects, not only of Colombia, of course, but of the Latin American countries where Spanish is spoken. So this is pretty much how one of the units looks like, right? Of course, um, all the units are different, and you are supposed to go through all of them on your own, but also with the help of your professor, right? Let's check very quickly Unit 2 here in a level A1. As you can see, there are again videos, there are resources that you can download, that you can access, anytime. They're, of course, for you all the time. You are recommended to access as many times as you like, and of course to contact us, to contact your teacher for any particular extra help. In the far right corner here, again, material de apoyo adicional. Again, that's additional support, additional materials. You will get, it's really very interesting, you will get a few different activities, different kinds of activities about different topics. For example, you're going to get grammar exercises in each of the levels. You will get at least 3 extra grammatical exercises. You will get to hear podcasts that have been prepared by us. These podcasts come along with, comprehension questions. The same as for the videos. These are, for the most part, videos that are, like I said at the beginning, authentic. So you will get to hear to authentic Spanish from Colombia, and they will come together again with listening or visioning comprehension questions. There are also reading comprehension activities, games, right? They are very interactive. And at the end, you'll get some mini questionnaires. So you can quiz yourself on a daily basis. You will get, in each of the levels, you will get 40 mini questionnaires. Most of them, or pretty much all of them, are grammar oriented. Okay? So this is how our website looks like, and our platform looks like, for example, in the case of level A1. Let's quickly check level. Oh, I have, because I'm the professor, I have a lot of courses here, but let's quickly check the second level. It looks different, got a different color, right? So that we can know what the difference is between the A1 and the A2. But it looks pretty much the same, right? Unit 1, there you go. Videos, resources, texts, exercises, activities, interactive activities such as the one I showed, and very authentic material. Very, very authentic material, right? So please start browsing your course. And before I forget, when you click on aspectos generales, general aspects, in the lower section here, you have a link to one of the most beautiful things we have created at our UPB virtual department, which is a site about the Colombian celebration of the 200th anniversary. So it's like a game. You should all click there and work that with your teachers and with your classmates. Of course, if you have any questions, you can always ask your teacher, or you can always ask the administration, the coordinator, and we will be there to help you out. Well, I wish you good luck in your learning process, and I'll see you around. Take care.